Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to explain you how to convert Python file to the exe file. It's not difficult, just watch the video until the end. Before starting action, I want you to subscribe and put like to my channel. So let's get started. First of all, you have to have Python file program which you want to convert to the exe file. If you don't have a Python program, I'm going to show you how to create it. Go to the desktop, press the right click on the mouse and choose a new folder first of all, and again go to the right click to the mouse, go to the text in where to create a new text document and call it main. You can call it everything which you want, but why main I'm going to show you later. So it's going to be more comfortable for you to have a short name. The more short name you have, the more comfortable is your work. So let's go and let's just rename this new folder name to the one. And now what you have to do is go to this text file and write your program. So if you already have a program, it's okay. You needn't to create the text files and so on. In my situation, I'm going to write print, very simple program, Python program. Hello world. Great. Oh, I'm sorry, here's a H. Now let's save it and then take the main txt file and transfer it to the one folder, and then let's change the txt format to the Python. I mean .py. Great. Then what you need is go to this computer and transfer the one file folder to the local disk C. Open it and you will see your file here. And you can just keep this file in the desktop, but to transfer it to the local disk C is going to make your work more easy and comfortable. So then what you need is open the CMD. To do that, go to the Windows search line and write CMD. CMD. Or you can press and hold the Windows button and at the same time press the R button. You will see this little window. So then write in this line the CMD and press enter. So then you have to write here pip install pyinstaller. Great, and press enter. So I already installed it and now the requirement is already satisfied. The next step, you have to write a cd, press the space and show the folder path where you keep the Python file. To do that, press the little bit up side line and copy this path, go to the CMD and paste it here, press enter. Then you have to write pyinstaller -f. Why -f? I'm going to explain you in the end of the video. And the name of your folder of your program. So main.py and press enter and wait for it. It will depend on your program size. If your program size is large, you will wait a little bit longer. So now after finishing compilation, open the same folder where you keep your main program and you will see here a lot of folders. So you have to open the dist file and you will see here your exe file. Congratulations, you invented your first exe file. So if someone and wait, this exe file will work in every computer without even if this person didn't install the Python. And if this person will want to look at your program to change it to the txt and look at your program, look what he's gonna see. He's gonna see a lot of stuff here, and he will don't understand what's really out there. And now, great. Now you can just take it out from your folder, rename it to solve it someone, and do a lot of actions. So now I want to talk why I compiled it with -f. Look, because if you will compile it with -e, with W, you will have some problem. With -e, if you will compile it with -e converted, so you will not be able to take this file, this main.py.exe, from those files where it was converted. It's going to stop working. So I'm going to show you how. Now I'm going to show you what will happen if you will convert it without -f. As you can see, this file converted exe file with -f. I'm going to show you how it works. I'm just clicking here, double click with that, and I took out this file from its real file. I'm clicking the double click, as you can see, hello world, pressing the enter, or you can do a lot of things here and so on. Now let's just check out what will happen if you will convert it without -e, I don't know, -v, and so on. Just you will write it just pyinstaller main.py. What's going to happen? I'm going to show you right now. We're going to the CMD again. Here we'll write a CD and copy the path here, and let's paste it here. Alright, we're writing pyinstaller, just main and .py. Press enter. We're waiting a little while. As I said, it depends on your program. If your program large, you're gonna wait a little bit more longer. And now you see that this file here, again the main file, and here the huge code. So some of you understood why I compiled with -f. -f makes this file on one and put it to the main.exe. So let's press it. And you will say, oh my god, so this is working. So then what? So look, yeah, this is working. But if you will take this file, which is compiled without -f, from its source and put it here, press it again, and it's not going to open. It's not opening, but this one is opening. So here is a difference. Why? So in this video, I not only explained you how to convert the Python file to the exe file, I explained you the difference why with the -f, and what's going to happen if you will try to convert a file without -f. So that was my video, and if you have some questions, if you have some computer problems, if you wish from me something, if you have some ideas about my video, about which video you want from me to do, write in comments and I will answer to you. I will take it to the serious. I will work on them, and all what you need, all which I want from you now is the subscribe and likes. That's all, guys. Support me, and I want to be best programming channel in YouTube. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I love you.